In this video, I'll show you how to get promo code on OneXBet. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So if you want to get promo code on OneXBet, here's exactly what you should do. After installing the OneXBet account to your phone, click on registration. And registration, you're going to choose the third option that says by email. This is the only option that promo code is going to work with. So once you are here, put your surname, your name, and choose your country, wherever you are. So for instance, if you choose your country, the currency is going to change with that of the country. So put in the region if necessary and your date of birth. Create your email account and then put in your phone number that is active and that works. Once all of that is done, create a password using these four requirements. Once your password is created, in the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. If you use promo code LEOTV, this is a promo code that you use and it's active, you're going to receive a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means that if you deposit 10,000, you're going to receive 30,000 as bonus. Once all of that is done, click on these three boxes and then register your account. Immediately you register your account, complete your first deposit. Once that is done, your bonus is going to be activated and you're going to receive your 300% immediately. You can subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.